Hello guys, my name is Dylan, my YouTube channel is Bros, and today we are going to be doing a review of Calculus 5 Trigonometric Integration. So topic 1 is going to be our review. So first we're just going to look over integration of rational functions. So, cool note, the word polynomial comes from Greek and the Latin words many terms. So poly is Greek for many, and Latin is, and nomial in Latin means terms. So an example of a polynomial is 31x minus 6 or 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. A rational function is a ratio of a polynomial. So, for example, we have r of x is equal to 31x minus 6 over 2x squared minus 7x plus 6, or minus 6. So this can be transferred into an integral being 31x minus 6 over 2x squared minus 7x minus 6 dx. So this is going to equal, we get the integral, and then we put a part here, and then it's a 4 over 5x plus 2 plus 3 for x minus 3 dx. So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this. What we're going to do is is equals integral 4 over 5x plus 2 dx plus the integral of 3 for x minus 3 dx. So now this equals 4 integral 1 over 5x plus 2 dx plus 3 integral of 1 over 4x minus 3 dx. So now what we can say is that we can do our u substitution. So u equals 5x plus 2, du equals 5d over dx, du over dx, these cancel out. Equals to 5 dx, and then du over 5 equals 5 dx over 5. These cancel out. You get our final answer of du over 5 equals dx. And now we have to do the other u substitution for the other one. So we get u equals 4x minus 3, and then du over dx is equal to 4 dx, du over dx equals 4 dx, and then these cancel out, so du over 4 equals 4 dx over 4. So then these cancel out, giving us du over 4 equals 4dx. Dx, I mean. Now we can put this back in our problem, saying equals 4 the integral 1 over u du over 5 plus 3 integral of 1 over u du over 4. Then this equals 4 over 5 integral of 1 over u du plus 3 over 4 1 over u du, which we can then put into 4 over 5 the natural log of u plus 3 over 4 the natural log of u. You can then say this equals 4/5 the natural log of 5x plus 2 plus 3 over 4 the natural log of 4x minus 3. Okay. That was topic 1, our review. So next up, what we're going to do is we're going to do our trigonometry review. So we're going to draw a unit circle. And then we're going to draw a little triangle there. So this is a unit circle. And so right here we have the cosine of theta. Right here we have the sine of theta. And then this length right here is theta.
Motion detected at front door.
So what we can determine is that if we have degrees, which allow us to measure the circle, the area of the circle, and then we also have radians, which allow us. So in this case, 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. So going around the circle once is equal to 2 pi. So 180, which is half the circle, is equal to just pi. And then 90 degrees, which is a quarter of that, half of it, so a quarter of the whole thing would be pi over 2. And then lastly, 45 degrees, which is an eighth of the whole thing, is equal to pi over 4. So by the Pythagorean theorem, we can determine that the cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1 squared, which also allows us to figure out that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. This is known as a trigonometric identity. Okay. We can move on to topic 3, calculus applications. So what we're going to do here is we're going to solve this problem. Integral of cosine cubed theta d theta. And so this is equal to the integral of cosine squared theta times the cosine squared cosine of theta d theta. So cosine squared of theta is equal to 1 minus the sine squared theta. And then cosine of theta d theta. So now we can use substitute. So u is going to equal the sine of theta. So du over d theta is equal to the cosine of theta. And d theta du over d theta is equal to the cosine of theta, d theta. And then du is over the cosine of theta is equal to the, these cancel out. The du over the cosine of theta is equal to the cosine of theta over, or d theta over cosine of theta. So these cancel out, giving us du over cosine of theta is equal to dx, or d theta. So now we can substitute. So this equals 1 minus u squared du, which then equals the integral cosine of theta du over cosine of theta. These cancel out, giving us the integral of 1 minus u squared du. And then this gives us the integral of 1 du minus the integral of u squared du. So then this gives us u minus u to the third over 3. So now all we have to do is substitute the sine back in. So the sine of theta minus sine 3 theta over 3. And this is our answer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.